Let me set this camera up. I want to show you a couple things I did to this camping trailer you might be interested in. So you see right before the batteries I got those 2x2 blocks, one on the bottom and one on the top, that make the frame of the trailer. And I took some of that paracord and kind of made a H net. Just drilled a hole, ran the cord through, tied a knot in the end of the cord so it doesn't pull through. And what that does is when I have all four of those totes in here and stacked up, keeps those totes from sliding forward, the top totes from sliding forward over the top of the batteries and into the refrigerator if I happen to slam on the brakes or something. And it's worked out really good. That's 550 paracord. So technically one strand will hold 550 pounds. And I got two of them going vertical and then one across the center just to keep them in place. That's working out really nice. And it didn't add any weight at all to the trailer. So one other little addition I made to the trailer since I built it is I put some black weather stripping that just sticks onto the door around the edges. So that helps keep dust out of the trailer when we're going down the road. And it's worked out well. I had to trim it down in a couple of places so it would fit okay, but that's just one other little addition I've made to the car camping trailer. It's underneath the edges of the trailer, so the sun shouldn't be hitting it, and I won't need a tire cover to keep the sun from tearing it apart. Hidden away in an unusable spot. Beautiful.